Alright, like, we're gonna watch Janina. She's gonna get mad scared.
I'm not. I'm used to this.
Yeah.
Can't find it. I really can't.
Keep looking, bitch. Mirando.
You got a big ass teddy bear right there. Some cotton candy and a big fat black bitch right there. Oh my god, Waldo, where are you? Oh my god, a pogo stick. Oh my god, look, oh look, it looks like a cell. Oh, no, that's not Waldo.
Yo, you scared me, bitch.